Most people in America will work their entire lives, 40 years of early mornings, late nights, weekends sacrificed, and still reach retirement age with almost nothing saved. Not because they were lazy, not because they didn't care, but because nobody ever showed them how money actually works. Today, that changes, because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you a rule so simple that a 10-year-old could understand it, but so powerful that it has quietly created more millionaires than almost any other financial concept in history. It is called the 8-4-3 rule. And by the time this video is over, you will know exactly what it is, exactly why it works, and exactly what to do today to start using it for yourself. Stay with me, because this one is worth every second. Hey, really quick, before I break down the exact math, there's actually a hidden reason why even people who know this rule still stay broke. And it has to do with an invisible drain on your wealth that nobody talks about. I am going to tell you exactly how to protect yourself from it in about 2 minutes. Let me start with a question. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just cannot seem to get ahead financially? Like you're running on a treadmill, moving your legs as fast as you can, but never actually going anywhere. You get a raise, and somehow the bills just rise to meet it. You try to save, but then the car breaks down, or the medical bill shows up, or something always comes up. And investing? That feels like something for people who already have money, not for regular people like you and me. If any of that sounds familiar, I need you to know something. That is not a you problem. That is an education problem. Nobody sat us down in school and explained how wealth actually builds. Nobody showed us the math. Nobody told us the secret that wealthy families pass down to their kids at the dinner table. That secret is compound interest, and the 8-4-3 rule is how you unlock it. So let's get into it. What exactly is the 8-4-3 rule? Here's the simplest way to explain it. When you invest money consistently over time, your returns don't grow in a straight line. They grow in a curve, slow at first, then faster, then much faster, like a rocket leaving the ground. The 8-4-3 rule describes exactly how that curve works. Let me walk you through it with real numbers. Let's say you start investing $500 every single month. And let's say you're earning a 12% average annual return, which, by the way, is close to what the US stock market has delivered historically over long periods. Here's what happens. In the first 8 years, your investment grows to approximately $100,000. Now, you put in about $48,000 of your own money over those 8 years, and you now have $100,000. So the market added roughly $52,000 on top of what you contributed. Solid. You feel good about that. But now, watch what happens next. In just the following 4 years, your portfolio adds another $100,000. Same monthly investment, same returns, but it only took half the time to grow the same amount. And then, in just the 3 years after that, your money adds another $100,000. 8 years for the first $100,000, 4 years for the second $100,000, 3 years for the third $100,000. And here is that hidden truth I mentioned earlier. You can know all this math, but if you have the invisible psychological wealth blocks that 90% of Americans are walking around with, you will unconsciously sabotage this growth. You will pull your money out early, or you will find a reason never to start, costing your family hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost security. The big financial institutions know this, and frankly, they profit when you fail to build real wealth. Because of community guidelines, I cannot share the full breakdown of how to remove these blocks right here on the platform. But I put together a private breakdown showing you exactly how to protect your mindset and your money using a method called the last wish. Just send me a message on Instagram with the word wish, and I will send it straight to you. Think of it like putting an iron vault around your future. Grab it before the big guys try to get it taken down. And here is what blows people's minds when they really sit with this. If you keep going, the next 100,000 takes even less time. The acceleration never stops. This is the power of compound interest, and this is why the 8-4-3 rule exists. It's not a strategy someone invented, it's a pattern that emerges naturally from the math every single time. Now, I want to give you an image that is going to make this stick in your brain forever. Imagine a snowball. You're standing at the top of a long, snowy hill, and you pack together a small snowball with your hands, maybe the size of a baseball. You set it down, and you give it a push. At first, it rolls slowly. It's small. You're watching it and thinking, this is going to take forever. But it keeps rolling. And because it's rolling, it picks up more snow. And now it's a little bigger. And because it's bigger, it picks up even more snow with every rotation. More snow, bigger ball, faster speed, even more snow. And by the time it reaches the bottom of that hill, what started as a baseball is now the size of a car. You didn't do anything extra, you just let it roll. That is exactly how your money works when you invest it and leave it alone. In those first 8 years, you are doing most of the work. You're contributing every month, you're being consistent. The snowball is still small and it feels slow, but you are building something. And then, somewhere around year 8, the snowball gets big enough that it starts doing the work for you. Your money starts earning more than you're putting in. Think about that for a second. A portfolio of $100,000 at 12% annual return earns $12,000 in a single year. That's $1,000 a month growing in your account while you go about your normal life. By the way, a lot of you have already messaged me over on Instagram for that private breakdown. If you haven't yet, you can still catch up. It is completely free to message me the word WISH, and getting that information now just means you are ahead of the game. You didn't clock in for that. You didn't trade your time for it. The snowball earned it, and it only gets bigger from there. Okay, now I need you to pay very close attention to this next part, because this is the part that changes how people think about time and money forever. I want to introduce you to two people. Let's call them Marcus and Diana. Marcus is 25 years old. He watches a video, kind of like this one, and he decides to start investing $400 a month right away. He's not making a ton of money. He has to cut back on a few things, but he commits. And every single month for the next 35 years, he invests $400. Diana is also smart and hardworking, but life gets busy at 25, then at 27, then at 30. She keeps telling herself she'll start when things settle down, when she makes more money, when the timing is right. Finally, at 35, Diana starts. Same $400 a month, same investments, same returns. She's consistent and disciplined for the next 25 years, all the way to age 60. Same person essentially, same habits, same discipline. But here's what happens at age 60. Marcus has approximately $1.76 million. Diana has approximately $530,000. Both of them did everything right. Both of them were consistent. But Marcus started 10 years earlier, and that one difference created a gap of over $1 million. 10 years, $1 million. What I just explained is costing the average American household hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime without them ever realizing it. That private breakdown I mentioned covers exactly how to stop this hidden wealth drain from happening to you. Just message me WISH on Instagram to get it. Let me make that even more real. That means every single year Diana waited cost her roughly $100,000 in future wealth. Every year she said later cost her $100,000. I am not sharing this to make you feel guilty. I am sharing it because this is the conversation that nobody is having. Because if someone had pulled Diana aside at 25 and shown her these exact numbers, do you think she would have waited? Of course not. So consider this, me pulling you aside right now. Whatever age you are watching this, the second best time to start is today. All right, let's get practical, because understanding the 8-4-3 rule is only worth something if you actually do something with it. So here is your simple 4-step action plan. Step 1. Choose where to invest. If your employer offers a 401k plan with a company match, that is your first stop. Full stop. That match is free money your company gives you just for participating. If you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you are literally leaving part of your paycheck on the table every single month. If your job doesn't offer a 401k or you want to do additional investing, open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA lets your money grow completely tax-free. You pay taxes now on the money you put in, and then when you retire and take it out, you pay zero taxes on all that growth. Zero on potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can open one at Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab. Many have zero minimum to get started. You can literally open an account today in less time than it takes to watch this video. Step 2. Pick simple investments. Do not try to pick individual stocks. Do not try to time the market. Do not let anyone talk you into complicated products with fees you don't understand. Just buy a simple index fund. An S&P 500 index fund gives you ownership of tiny pieces of the 500 largest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, all of them in one simple fund. When America grows, you grow with it. When those companies make money, you make money. It's simple, it's diversified, and it has a track record that goes back nearly a century. Step 3. Automate your contributions. This is the step that most people skip, and it is the most important one after starting. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. Every paycheck, before you see the money, before you can spend it, a fixed amount goes straight into your investment account. This removes the decision from your hands. You don't have to remember, you don't have to feel motivated, you don't have to debate whether this month is the right time. It just happens every single month, quietly building your snowball in the background. Automation is how good intentions become real wealth. Step 4. Leave it alone. This might be the hardest step on the list, but it might also be the most important. There will be moments, probably multiple times over your investing life, where the market drops, and it drops hard, and the news is terrifying, and everyone around you is panicking and selling everything. You will feel the urge to do the same. Resist it with everything you have. This right here is the part they do not teach you, because it is not profitable for the industry if you know how to stay the course. Most people hear this and keep doing the same thing, letting panic wipe out their savings. The ones who messaged me the word wish on Instagram actually found out what to change to protect their mindset and their money. Because here is what history shows us every single time. The market has faced recessions, crashes, pandemics, financial crises, wars, and every single time, without exception, it has recovered and gone on to reach new highs. The people who lost were the ones who panicked and sold at the bottom. The people who won were the ones who stayed calm, kept contributing, and let the snowball keep rolling. Your job is not to predict the market. Your job is to stay in it. I want to take a moment here and get real with you. A lot of people watching this right now grew up in homes where money was stressful, where investing was never even a topic at the dinner table, where the idea of becoming wealthy felt like a fantasy that belonged to someone else. Maybe you grew up hearing things like, "We can't afford that," or "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "Rich people are just lucky." And those messages stick. They shape how we think about ourselves and what's possible for us. But I need you to hear something clearly. Building wealth is not about luck. It is not about your starting point. It is not about what your parents had or didn't have. It is about understanding how money works and then using that understanding consistently over time. The 843 rule doesn't care about your zip code. It doesn't care about your job title. It doesn't care whether you went to college or grew up in a big house or a small apartment. The math works the same for every single person. What it does require is one thing: a decision. A decision that you are going to start, that you are not going to wait for perfect timing, that you are going to trust the process even when you can't see the snowball growing yet, because it is growing even when you can't feel it. The people who retire wealthy are not mostly geniuses. They are mostly just people who made that decision and then never stopped showing up. You can be one of those people, starting today. Let me leave you with this. Imagine yourself 20 years from now. Not the stressed version, not the one checking the bank account nervously at the end of the month. The version of you who started today. The version who automated that first contribution, who opened that account, who let the snowball roll for 20 years without stopping it. That version of you has options, real options. The option to retire early if you want to. The option to take a job you love instead of a job you need. The option to help your kids start their own snowball. The option to stop trading all your time just to survive. That freedom is real. It is available to you. And it starts with one small step that most people never take. You now know the rule. You now know the math. You now know what to do. The only question left is whether you're going to do it. If this video helped you today, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Text it to a friend. Send it to your sibling. Post it somewhere. Because most people will never have someone sit them down and explain this. Be that person for someone you care about. Drop 843 in the comments right now if you are committing to starting this month. I want to see how many of you are ready to start your snowball today. And if you want to learn how to actually open your first investment account step by step from scratch, my next video walks you through the entire thing in under 10 minutes. Go watch it and then go start. You have everything you need. But before you click away, I have to remind you about the cost of doing nothing. If you have kids or aging parents relying on you, getting your mind right about money isn't just a nice idea, it is a necessity. Don't leave your family's future up to chance. Message me the word WISH on Instagram right now. I will send you that free breakdown on the last wish method so you can clear the invisible blocks keeping you broke and actually protect what you are building. It takes 5 seconds to message me, but ignoring this could cost you everything we just talked about. I want to see you win. Go send that message, and I will see you in the next video.